The 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.